daily life and memory experience. My name is Roosevelt. I am a student at university. I am a student engineer civil. I am really enjoy my career because it is practical and useful for society. My sister support very important to me and my family motive help my continue my study. I am a daily life wake up early and prepare breakfast. At home there is always coffee and bread on the table. Some things I eat fruit, but I don't eat much sugar because it is early. Usually go to university in the morning and eat class from Monday to Friday. I often study in the afternoon and do my homework at home in the evening. I like listening to music or watching videos on my phone. I love learning new things, but I have waking up very early. I live in an apartment. There is a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and there bedrooms. This apartment is is conformal and hot place is perfect for studying. These books are my and those notebooks are for my class like my my living room because it is bright and relaxing. I usually spend time there because it's help free calm. I like earning Peruvian food very much. I love eating ceviche and drink chicha morada. I don't eat fast food often because it is good for my health. People should eat more natural food and drink enjoy water every day. Don't eat vegetables and fruit. Now I want to talk because a past experience last year I was on because with family. My were in a beautiful city near the mountain. There were was sun and the people were every friend. There were man restaurant and there was a lot of traditional food. I was very happy because the place was beautiful. On day we were in a small restaurant. I tried a traditional dish and it was delicious. There wasn't much news and there weren't many tourists. It was a perfect moment to relax and enjoy the place. That experience was special for me because I was calm and great. In conclusion, my present life is beautiful but meaningful and my past experience helped me grow as a person and a student.